Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my big slime. I'm gonna jump this out real quick, so yeah, because that's how big it is. Okay guys, this slime, look at that. Could you guys see this? It was in this big container, like all the way up. It's a gray slime with black, red, gold glitters with rainbow beads. See, there's like orange beads, blue beads, pink beads, purple beads, and it is like a nice gray color. It has several different paints in it, like, oh, there's some green glitter. Comment down below what else you see in this slime. Get real close. You guys see it? What is this? A bead. There's a lot of bubbles. It's really crunchy. Now we're going to do a lot of ASMR with it. Oh, there. These little, like here's one right here. Right here, right here, right here. These like fluffy things. These are actually pom-poms. They're kind of like jelly cubes. I don't know. Oh, guys, look at that juicy bubble. And my activator that I use is actually Stay Flow. I used to use baking soda and saline solution, but I wanted to test Stay Flow, and I used to use borax, but it's like chemical-ish, if that makes sense. Like, I just don't like using it. I'm gonna put this like in a ball kind of, so you guys can like see how big it is. Do you see that right now? Like, yeah. See my shadow. There's an orange pom-pom. Super satisfying. So yeah, guys, this is my jumbo slime completed. And I know I have mentioned this in other videos, but yeah, here it is. So, peace.